Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing really well. Today's video is a style tutorial really. I'll be sharing how to style up one of the most versatile and practical types of footwear out there. I'll be demonstrating ways of styling these boots that work and why they work, and some ways that don't work and why they don't. So stay tuned. Chelsea boots, chunky boots, combat boots even, call them what you like, but they're a must-have versatile shoe style that can be worn with just about anything from jeans to skirts for a modern and stylish look. They're not just a trend, are they? They're always worn and always loved. And not only that, they're really practical and they're really comfortable, and they're not just for young people. I've really got into them recently. So today I'm offering you some do's and don'ts on how to style them with a variety of pieces: trousers, leggings, jeans, skirts and dresses. I'll be explaining and showing you why something does and doesn't work so that you can apply it to your own wardrobe. Chelsea boots were actually created for our Queen Victoria, who wanted a boot that looked good but was really practical at the same time. And they were named after a very desirable area of London, Chelsea. A little aside, two people who you might know or have heard of who lived in this square in Chelsea was firstly James Bond, and the second person was me in my extreme youth. Anyway, let's get back to style. So let's jump right into my first way of styling up Chelsea boots, a way that is easy and perfect for every day. My first do, which is wear straight leg or mom jeans or trousers with Chelsea boots. Chelsea boots and straight leg jeans or mom jeans are a match made in heaven. You can dress them up or down, and you can pair them, as I have here, with jeans or with trousers, and boots with long sweaters or t-shirts or dressy blouses or simple tops. They're very, very versatile. Mom jeans, as you can see here in particular, look slightly edgy and laid back, and I love that look. Now, the Chelsea boots that I've chosen for this video are these really classic leather ones from John Lewis, which sadly have just sold out, but I do have some others that I've sourced for you that are almost identical, so do go and have a look at those. One from Marks & Spencer's and one from June. They're really beautiful. And of course, if black isn't your bag, Chelsea boots do come in other colours as well, such as tan, brown, beige, and some of the most beautiful I will link below. I've linked Vince Camuto ones, or there's these ones which are incredibly gorgeous, sort of a creamy light beige. These are from River Island, very reasonably priced, absolutely love them. I've got to style them up. They've only arrived this morning, so I just wanted to show you. So in this outfit, I've teamed my black Chelsea boots with my light wash mom jeans. Now, these are River Island. They aren't particularly fitted, but they aren't baggy either. They come in at the ankle, which is important because they complement the boots really well. Of course, if you prefer darker jeans, you can wear a darker wash or black jeans with this look as well. Now, to show you that wearing Chelsea boots doesn't mean that you have to look workmanlike or like a road worker, I've added this beautiful mulberry silk ivory coloured blouse. I just love this. It's very flowy, very feminine, and it has a dressy element too, and it's a nice contrast with the jeans. And also the blouse isn't tight, which helps to balance out the chunkier boot. Then the oatmeal coloured coat, the long coat, brings the outfit together, and it's a lovely third piece. Blends the jeans with the blouse. This is my beautiful coat from Boohoo. Now, to echo the black in the boots, I've added little touches of black here and there. So you can see I've got a black belt and a black bag. Not too much, but just so that the boots weren't the only black in the outfit. Otherwise, they would have been too much of a contrast with the fairly light tones of the other pieces. So the reason why mom jeans or straight leg jeans work well is that the boots are chunky, but the straight leg or the mom jeans like these don't have any bulk at the ankle, so they counteract the boots really well. Now, you don't want a lot of bulky material on the leg, as it makes the bottom half look too heavy, particularly with a coat like this, a long coat. So this is perfect because they go in at the ankle, so there's not extra material at the bottom. Now, with straight leg jeans or with mom jeans, there are no extremes of tightness or extremes of loose fabric. It's all fairly structured, and that's what you need with chunkier footwear. Now, just a note on length here, length of jeans or trousers. Ideally, it looks much more put together if you select jeans that are not too long. I don't think it's a good look to tuck trousers or jeans into Chelsea boots, because we go back to looking a bit workmanlike if we do that, in my opinion. If you do that, that's and you're happy with that, that's fine. But for me, it just looks a bit workmanlike, and also it doesn't really suit shorter ladies like me, because I'm only 5'4". I also think it's much more flattering to have your jeans stop just short of the top of the Chelsea boot without a gap. So therefore, crop jeans or roll up the jeans if you would like to do that here, or just over the boot. So not to completely cover the boot. You don't want to cover the boots. You want to show a lot of them. So either way, the idea is to create a long, seamless, elongated, long look. So this is a fairly easy look to adapt to most wardrobes. So just team your Chelsea boots with some straight leg or mom jeans or any shape of jean or trouser that's not too baggy around the ankle, and it would work really well. So let's move to a don't. How not to wear Chelsea boots. This is don't wear a wide leg at the bottom. So here I'm wearing the same outfit, but I wanted to show you how wide legs would just look too bulky with these Chelsea boots. They just make the outfit feel too heavy at the bottom, and they're not flattering for the leg. I think that any trousers that have a lot of fabric at the bottom would just look too bulky with Chelsea boots. So things like palazzo pants are pretty much a no, as are boot cut jeans or flared out jeans at the bottom. They just don't set the boots off to good advantage. On the other hand, I want to show you here how much better this outfit looks with wide leg trousers but not a Chelsea boot. Here you can see I'm wearing a pointed toe. It's a more delicate boot. These are sock boots, and I just think due to the wide leg trouser, you need to come in at the foot, not add to the chunk. So it's all really about proportion and balance. So I want to move on now to showing you Chelsea boots with slouchier, baggier trousers to see how that works or doesn't work. So I'm starting with a don't here. Don't wear oversized, slouchy trousers. This point is more about slouchy, oversized trousers, whereas my first point was more about wide leg trousers specifically. Essentially, oversized, slouchy trousers are not a good balance with Chelsea boots, as you can see with the volume here. These loose cut faux leather trousers are absolutely lovely. I really love them, but they really need something more delicate at the foot, such as pointed toe boots or pointed toe pumps or slingbacks or even a sandal, just to take away the heaviness of the look really. A bit of skin around the ankle would lift the look as well. This just makes the legs and ankles look wider and much bigger than they actually are. The balance of the look is not helped by the fitted sweater either, but if I wear a looser sweater, it just makes me look bigger all over. It just doesn't work. So what does work? Well, my do for this is wear classic straight leg trousers. This look works much better just by swapping out the oversized trousers for my Boden Ecru girlfriend jeans. They're a lovely straight line, they're straight legged, and the whole proportion looks so much better. The colours are more balanced as well. You probably noticed that with the black boots echoed in the black jumper, but with a light element in the jeans. Again, so it doesn't look too heavy on the legs. And even though the jeans are a light colour, they don't make the legs look bigger because the light colour is offset by the darker, chunkier boots and the top, and of course they're straight legs, so they don't add bulk. Now I've added volume to the top of my body with a scarf as well, and the long coat adds style and just makes the whole look seem much more elegant, much more put together, more polished. So let's move on to see how Chelsea boots work with leggings. This is a really easy, relaxed, everyday look, which is easily adapted to all wardrobe. Oh, and just before I go on to that, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I'd really love you to, because it's free and it helps the channel to keep going. I share styling tips on what works and what doesn't work every week. And if you've liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up, because it gives me a real good indication of the kind of videos that you like, and then I can make more of them. Okay, back to leggings. So do wear leggings with Chelsea boots. Good news. So this look is perfect for a run around everyday look. And if you get the proportions right, it's really flattering. Now I've paired a simple basic pair of leggings with my Chelsea boots, and also with a gorgeous ivory oversized cashmere sweater. Love this, so cozy. Now the balance is created by a chunky boot. So that's quite chunky at the bottom, and then slimmed down in the leg with the fitted leggings. Also black, of course, which is width reducing, of course, and then balanced out again by the oversized cozy sweater. So this almost aims to replicate that beautiful hourglass figure that some of you lucky ladies have. I don't, but that we're all trying to strive after. In fact, it brings to mind, I did a video about body shapes and also about hourglass figures, which I will link above and in the video description below. You might like to have a look at. It's all about the perfect dress, but it talks a lot about body shapes. So effectively, back to this, if you have a pair of leggings and a cozy sweater already in your wardrobe, you know, you can easily adapt this look. It's warm, it's comfortable, it's stylish. And if you're a fan of skinny jeans, you'll be pleased to know that this look would also apply to you too. Just swap out the leggings for the skinny jeans. Will work in exactly the same way. Just to show you now how the whole outfit goes out of tilt completely, out of balance and out of proportion when you swap out this beautiful larger size turtleneck jumper, beautiful cozy one, with a more fitted top. So my don't is don't wear a fitted top with leggings and chunky boots. Now I love a fitted turtleneck sweater. I think they're a fabulous wardrobe staple item. I think every woman needs fitted turtleneck sweaters in their wardrobe, and they're also brilliant as foundations for winter layering. But worn here, fitted, with the fitted leggings is just too tight. The whole look is just too fitted all the way down. And then you've got the chunky boots at the bottom. It just looks wrong. But the outfit, there's no curve, there's no shape. Now you can see when I add a blazer to the top of this outfit, the whole look starts to look balanced again. And the reason why it looks balanced is because it's a slightly larger top. Then you've got the fitted trousers, and then you've got the chunkier boots. So it's the same effect as the previous outfit. You've got a balance of proportion. You've got the larger footwear, the slimmer legs, and a slightly more oversized top. And that looks so much better. Of course, Chelsea boots don't just look great with jeans and trousers and leggings. They also look wonderful with skirts and dresses too. So my next do is do wear a skirt or a dress, but particularly that meets the boots, or wear black tights. That's a very long title, but I'm going to show you what I mean. Chelsea boots are great with a dress or a skirt, particularly if you choose the length right. Now, this needs to be midi skirts or shorter skirts. I think maxi skirts that go right down to the ground, again, you've got the same problem as you had with the wide leg trousers. You end up with too much volume, too much bulk, particularly if it's a flowy, floaty skirt that goes right to the floor. You need to be careful not to cover your boots entirely. So if your dress or skirt stops just short of your boots or just covers the top of it but no further down, that would be perfect. In particular, in the winter, I really like the look of chunky boots with a knitted dress, which, as you can see in this picture, I think just looks perfect. My don't for skirts and dresses and Chelsea boots is don't have a gap between the dress and the boots, because it shortens the leg. So the rule of thumb is basically either wear skirts or dresses that come just short of your Chelsea boots, or much shorter dresses or skirts. Now, I know that sounds a little bit strange, but the idea is that you don't have a gap of skin, bare skin that is, between the bottom of the skirt or the dress and your Chelsea boots, because it just foreshortens the look of the leg and it's not good for proportions. Now, if you want to have a skirt that's sort of knee length and then wear Chelsea boots, fine, but do wear opaque black tights, because that then gives you back that elongation, that long line for the eye right down to the floor. Of course, if you're brave, the other alternative is to wear a much shorter skirt, well above the knees, but as long as you wear it with opaque black tights and Chelsea boots, it can look really edgy and really trendy. So all the links to the items that I mentioned and the things that you've seen are in the video description if you scroll down below the video. And I hope you have a really amazing day, and thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, please, as I said before, please do give it a thumbs up, because I love to see your likes, I love to see your comments. So lots of love to you all. Good luck with your styling of chunky boots, and I'm going to see you really, really soon. Lots of love. Bye.